What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Mozilla Firefox on your PC or your laptop. So there are two methods to do that. The first one, which I will use for this tutorial, but I will show you the second method too, is by opening the Microsoft Store. So to do that, you're going to the search bar and here you're going to search for Microsoft Store. As you can see, it's right here, so we're going to open it. And now what we want to do is to search Mozilla Firefox on the search bar. And as you can see, it's right here, so we're going to click on it and click on Get. And now it's installing. Also now I will show you the second method to download Mozilla is by going into a browser and you're going to search Mozilla Firefox download. As you can see, here is the official site of Mozilla, and if you click on it, you can download it from here too. As you can see, Mozilla has been downloaded. We're going to open it. And as simple as this, you can use Mozilla Firefox on your laptop or your PC. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.